What is good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. Today I'm feeling a little bit better. I've been sick like the whole week. That's tough, but I'm back again. I know it's been a minute since y'all see my face, but I'm back to like regular uploads. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community. You feel me? We're just going to dive right into it and see what inspiration hits us. So let's get it. I kind of like this sound and how it is sounding. We're just gonna go like this. Let's add like a little top melody to this. Let's add a ton of reverb. So at the moment, one of my favorite reverbs is Epic from Waves. Super fire because it's like a delay plugin, but you can add like reverb onto the delay, so it really creates a cool effect. Put this all the way up. What this will do is just like let the reverb and like the delay play for like an eternity. Set this to random, like 1/4 triplet, and then maybe this one at 1/8 dotted. It's just like random effects inside of your ear. It just makes it a little bit more interesting. And then right here, unmute this one and just boost it right here. Ooh, this is really a nice sound. Let me add that in there. Just like switch out the sounds. What I'm going to do with this reverb tail is cut this, and then we're just going to make this unique. And what I'm going to do is boost it a little bit, add some chorus to it like that. And I think I'm going to pitch it down or up, maybe see what sounds nice. So I think the melody is done. It's time to add the drums right now. I really want some hard knocking drums like always, so let's get it. So I think this was the video, guys. I think this was the beat. This beat is just super crazy, definitely in the style of like METROBOOMIN, what I was like kind of going for as well in my head. This tutorial showed you how to make like crazy beats in the style like METROBOOMIN, really like that dark vibe and with hard knocking drums. So you can definitely like 21 Savage. Who else do I hear on this beat? Maybe like A$AP Rocky or Lil Uzi. Like back in the days they were like freestyling and stuff, so they could really like do a crazy freestyle to this. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. I'm also active on social media as well at Skana Beats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next